Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. This is Muhammad Zain, and you are watching my channel, 110 Logics, Patthar aur Sitare. In today's video, we will discuss the weekly horoscope from 29th of September to 5th of October. Based on Astrology, Ilm-ul-Jafar, and current planetary position, I will share the most accurate predictions for each zodiac sign, Aries to Pisces. Recommended charity Sadqa, a powerful divine name, Asma-ul-Husna, or Quranic invocation, the precautions you should take, and the most suitable gemstone for you. So let's begin with the Aries and continue till Pisces. Aries, predictions for this week is Mars will bring the moment in your financial matters. Job or business may feel pressurized, but your hard work will pay you off. Avoid misunderstandings in relationship. Your charity is give wheat or bread to someone willing to any needy person. The divine name Asma-ul-Husna. Recite Ya Fataho 111 times daily with Awal Akhir Durust. Precautions: avoid haste and anger. Gemstone for you is red carnelian. Next is Taurus. For Taurus, Venus will bring softness and love into your relationship. Financial gain is possible, but expenses will also increase. Take care of your health because your health seems to be quite unhealthy. Your charity is white. Anything of white color, give milk or rice to any needy person. Divine name Yawahabu 66 times with Durust. And your precautions are avoid stubbornness, laziness, and your best gemstone is peridot. The next zodiac sign is Gemini, and the prediction for Gemini is Mercury's influence will favor education, writing, and communication. A new agreement or travel may bring success. Your charities donate green things to any poor or needy person. Your divine name Asma-ul-Husna is Ya Elimo. Recite 100 times with Durust. Precautions are avoid lies and exaggeration. Your gemstone is emerald. Try to wear emerald in the pinky finger of your right hand. The next zodiac is Cancer, and the prediction for Cancer is the moon's position will increase peace at home, family, and property matters may improve. It is time to release the mental stress. Try to be stressless. Try to be have full nap, and your charities donate white thing to any needy like milk or rice or sugar. Your divine name Asma-ul-Husna is Ya Rahimo. Recite 200 times daily, and your precaution is oversensitivity may harm you, so don't try to be oversensitive. And the best gemstone for you is pearl or moonstone. The next zodiac sign is Leo, and the prediction for Leo are the sun will enhance your dignity and leadership. New opportunities will arise, but be aware of jealousy from others. Your hidden enemies could arise. Your charities donate any red thing, red fruit, meat to any needy. Your divine name is Ya Zizo. Recite 41 times with Durust. Precaution: avoid pride and arrogance. This may in an open words, this may fall you down straight to the face, so avoid it, please. Gemstones are ruby, and our next zodiac sign is Virgo, and the prediction for Virgo are Mercury will make calculation and planning easier. Be cautious in financial matters. Old health issues may resurface. Charity: donate green vegetables to any green thing, green vegetables to needy, or put to the birds. Your precautions are don't criticize others unnecessarily. This may lead with a huge fight. Your gemstones are emerald or turquoise. This would be beneficial for you. Next zodiac is Libra, and the predictions for Libra are: Venus will bring harmony in the relationship, love, partnership, and business ventures may open new doors. But think carefully before taking any decision. Read the documents carefully. Don't sign immediately. Don't take a decision immediately. Give yourself a few moments, few time to take a decision. Charity, donate anything sweet to any poor. And your divine name is Aizam is Ya Latif, recite it 129 times a daily with Durud Sharif. And precautions are avoid overspending and greed. These two things you have to be very careful, and you have to be in your limits of in the regard of financial matters. Your gemstone is yellow sapphire. It would be beneficial for you. Our next star is Scorpio. So the prediction for Scorpio: the combination of Mars and Ketu will give you spiritual attraction. Hidden enemies may appear, but your wisdom will protect you. Your best charity is donate meat to the poor. Your divine name is Yakaharo. Recite it 100 times daily. Precautions are: remove revenge and grudges from your heart. Try to forgive others. This will put some blessing in your life. Your gemstone is Yamni Akik. Yamni Agate is your gemstone of the week. Our next zodiac sign is Sagittarius, and the predictions for the Sagittarius people are: Jupiter's influence will open the doors of education, travel, and fortune. A new connection or agreement may take a place. A new venture could be open, or since a long time, if you are trying to get a new contract, you may feel succeed in the next week. So the charity for you is a sweet thing. Try to give sweet things to a poor, or put it to the birds. Like if you put sugar to some insects, this will be beneficial for you. Your divine name is Aizam is Yavasio. Read it 70 times daily. Your precautions are: fulfill your promises and your commitments. And the gemstone which is best for you is yellow sapphire. Let's move on to the next zodiac. So our next zodiac sign is Capricorn, and the predictions for Capricorn are: Saturn's pressure will affect financial and professional matters. Hard work will be required, but results may come late. So the charity is donate black cloth or black chickpeas to some needy, or put it to the birds. If you have chickpeas, black chickpeas, you can offer to the birds. The divine name and which you need to recite is Yasburo. Recite it 100 times daily with the Durud Sharif. Precautions are: avoid hopelessness. Be patient. Inshallah, you will see success in near future. Your best gemstone is blue sapphire. Our next zodiac sign is Aquarius, and the predictions for Aquarius are: Saturn and Jupiter may test your relationship and friendship. Still, success is possible in a major project that you are working in a previous days or in a couple of previous months. Your best charity is donate water or anything, or blue cloth to any needy people. Your divine name Aizam is Yavadudo. Recite it 100 times daily with Durud Sharif. Your precautions are: don't trust blindly in friendship. Don't expose your dreams, your projects. Don't expose anything inside you in happiness or in sorrow. Don't, because there is no one is your friend. You are the only friend of yourself. So try to be your friend and don't share anything to anyone else. Just hope on Allah. Inshallah, everything will be good soon. Your best gemstone is turquoise. It will give you success, inshallah. Try to wear that. And our last zodiac sign is Pisces, and the predictions for Pisces are: Jupiter and Neptune will enhance the spirituality. A dream or inspiration may turn into reality. Finances will be improved. Your charities feed fish or put flour into water, in the running water like canal or river or sea. Your divine name is Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum, recited 313 times daily with Drush. Precautions are avoid emotional decision. Don't get yourself panic in emotions. Don't take any decision during any emotional feeling. The best gemstone is for you is yellow sapphire or green agate. This week, make charity a habit. Reciting the recommended divine name will bring peace of heart and improve destiny. Wearing your suitable gemstone helps balance planetary influences. Dear viewers, these are the weekly predictions from Astrology and Ilm-ul-Jafar. Remember, charity and divine names and gemstone are special healing and support that bring positivity and the blessing in life. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, and write your zodiac sign in the comments along with your feedback. And if you want any precious gemstone, you can contact me over WhatsApp. If you want any personal budget calculations or any of your issues with you want to discuss, you can contact me over the WhatsApp. May Allah bless you with success, peace and prosperity. Inshallah, I will return next week with another detailed horoscope video. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajal farajahum.